You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word of French origin. For reference, in French it is said as crochet, with no emphasis on any particular syllable. This is why some say it, especially in British English, as crochet, with emphasis on the first syllable, crochet. Some others, especially in the US, say it as crochet, with an emphasis on the second syllable, crochet, or crochet, from French, crochet, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.